What the hell?
It was recorded. Do that again.
What? No, you don't do it live like that.
You should do it.
Ooh. Do it to a tree again.
Look at my lollipop. You want to lick this lollipop? Come get some. It's huge and red and round and has other lollipops.
And it has two girlfriends.
Look, come on, come on. That'll make a good couples.
If anybody asks for a drink of my summer, I said, no, my baby. I named it Slurpee.
That's precious, baby.
Huh?
I bought this for 55 cents.
Huh?
So this precious baby was single and it was worth 55 cents.
Oh yeah, it was worth $1.79. Actually, 100.
Hi, Trisha.
What?
It was single and it's worth 55 cents.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, with tax, it's 58 cents.
Yeah, 58 cents. Got it!
Yeah.